For the question number 2, they have given this image for question number 2, and they are asking us to create a curvature continuous fillet surface connecting the top and side surfaces. The radius is given 3, and we have to find the surface area, the tolerance of plus minus 10 mm square. Alright, so for that we already have the first question done. So let's proceed with creating the fillet. Alright, so let's go to fillet. Let's give it 3 mm and curvature continuous they're asking. So let's select this. Now if you try to select this edge, it will never be selected because we have created this surface separately and it was given as a separate surface. So when two surfaces are separate, we can't give a fillet between them. That is like general knowledge for when you are doing design. Once your surfaces are connected and joined, or you can say knit, then only you can give the fillet to the sharp corners. So let's knit this surface first. Top one, side one, knit surface. So now it is a single entity now. So let's invoke the fillet command. We keep the 3 mm curvature continuous and select this edge. Press the green tick. Our fillet is ready. Let's try to measure that. It's coming around 347.32 mm squared. Let's go and check the answer. So for second it is B, which comes out to be 348.1. Our is 347, so very close. It's into the tolerance also because they have given plus minus 10, as you can see. So yeah, our answer is pretty much accurate. We can't modify it further to make it the exact 348. Right, so this is all about the question number 2. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Peace out.